Ali, the Boy Who Lied, Cali Beenale. Read by Mohammed Diria, aka Nomad Consultant. One hot sunny day, Ali, a goat-herd boy who lived in a small village with his father, was looking after his father's goats in the hills not far from their home. Ali wanted to play and have fun, but he had to help his father tend their goats. This was important, as this was how they made their money. But Ali found this to be very boring. Every day was the same. All he could do to amuse himself was to talk to his goats and watch the birds pass by. One day, as he sat watching the goats, he started thinking, what if a hyena came? His father had told him to call for help should a hyena attack the herd, and the villagers would drive it away. Okay, so Ali had a bit of an idea. Let's find out what happens next. This gave him an idea. Even though he had not seen anything that even looked like a hyena, he ran towards the village, shouting at the top of his voice, "Hyena! Hyena!" Ali. As he expected, the villagers heard his cries and came running to help him. But when they got there, they found the boy laughing. The villagers were confused and shocked. Why would Ali call for help when there was no hyena in sight? They told Ali off and went back to their work. Ali. Okay. And now we're at page 10. A few days later, Ali played the same trick on the villagers. He shouted, "Hyena! Hyena!" Again, they came running fast towards Ali and his goats to help him, only to be laughed at again. Ali, man, he's so rude, honestly. Anyway, the villagers got upset at Ali's behavior. They didn't think it was funny at all. Then, one evening, just before Maghrib, a hyena really came out of the bushes where it was hiding and jumped onto one of Ali's goats. In terror, Ali ran towards the village shouting, "Hyena! Hyena!" Even though the villagers heard the cry, they did not run to help him. The village elder said, "It's only Ali. Don't believe him. He cannot fool us again." So they all stayed where they were and didn't go help. The hyena killed many of the boys' goats and then slipped away into the night. So, moral of the story: liars are not believed even when they speak the truth. I hope you guys enjoyed me reading the book. And what I would like to say is check out the rest of the book. There's some nice comprehension for you to do with your kids. There's also some games, really interesting games, and also find the words, both in Somali and English. And if you parents are struggling to help your kids answer the question, we also have a solution page as well. So make sure you guys check it out. All right, take care. Until next time, peace and love.